Salam, كما تخونا. I am Mesfin. Welcome to read Tigrinya lessons. Lesson 10. In lesson 9, we have learned the letters D, J, P, C. In this lesson 10, we will learn 5 more letters: H, T, Ch, V, J, and we call this group hhae group. The letters are formed by 3 or 2 legs. H, T, Ch are formed by 3 legs. V and J are formed by 2 legs. There are many systems for Romanization or Latinization of Tigrinya alphabets. To Latinization or Romanization of those letters in this slide, I prefer to use the double consonant instead of appendage or marks. Ha, we will write it with double H, T with double T, Ch with double C, J with Z, J, and E. H, T, Ch, V, J. I know that's difficult to pronounce those letters. Please notice the pronunciation difference between J and J. H, T, Ch, V, J. H, hu, he, ha, hhae, hhae, ho. Ha, hu, he, ha, hhae, hhae, ho. T, tu, ti, ta, tie, t, to. Ch, chu, chi, cha, che, ch, cho. V, vu, vi, va, vie, v, vo. J, ju, ji, ja, je, j, jo. In this row is explained how we put the signs to those letters. Notice please the short legs by ha, ta, cha, va, and ja. We have 2 short legs here. And in 7th row also we have 2 short legs. Ha, hu, he, ha, hhae, hhae, ho. T, tu, ti, ta, tie, t, to. Ch, chu, chi, cha, che, ch, cho. V, vu, vi, va, vie, v, vo. J, ju, ji, ja, je, j, jo. Here we have some words with those letters. Harmaz, ጠበንጃ, ጨው, television. ዋጣ, ቦጥ, ሕጡብ, ሸሓኒ፣ ቅጫ፣ ጭራ፣ ቀይሕ ባሕሪ፣ ሓረስታይ፣ ጨዓ. Some more words to exercise reading it. ሓዊ፣ ሕጊ፣ ሓው፣ ሓፍቲ፣ ሑፃ፣ ሸሓኒ፣ ሓሰማ፣ ሕብሪ፣ ብዙሕ፣ ሓኪም፣ ሕልሚ፣ ሓድሽ፣ ሕሳብ፣ ሓያል፣ ወርሒ፣ ሓገዝ፣ ሕሱር፣ ሓረስታይ ሓርማዝ ባሕሪ ገምገም ባሕሪ ቀይሕ ባሕሪ ጥንሲ ጥብሲ ጡጥ ጤል ጣሳ ቦጥ ዋጣ ጥራዝ ሕጡብ ብጫ ጫማ ጭሩ ጣንጡ ቅጫ ጨዓ ጫካ ጨና ጠበቕ ሰላጣ ጋዜጣ ሸበጥ ጣውላ ውሽጢ ጥዕና አንበጣ ጥዑም ጣንጡ ጥርሙዝ ጠረጴዛ እንጭራር ዕንጨይቲ ወንጭፍ አፍንጫ ቬሎ ቫዞ ቪላ ቨራንዳ ቪዲዮ ቴሌቪዥን V. In Tigrinya, we have rarely words written with the letter V. In my opinion, this letter V was added later to the Ge'ez letters to pronounce words with foreign language origin, like Velo, Vaso, Villa, Veranda, Video, Television. Here are some pictures of the Red Sea coast in Eritrea. Eritrea, ቀይሕ ባሕሪ. Eritrea, Red Sea. Until this point, we have learned the letters B, C, sh, Z, K, hhae, le, a, ge, ne, nye, te, che, ke, hhae, ye, ha, pe, re, fe, me, we, ha, a, se, de, je, pe, tse, ha, te, che, ve, je. Ha, hu, hi, ha, he, h, ho. Te, tu, ti, ta, tie, t, to. Che, chu, chi, cha, che, ch, cho. Ve, vu, vi, va, vie, v, vo. Je, ju, ji, ja, je, j, jo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to be updated with the lessons.